Here we go. I promised you that I would show you how to putty nail holes, fill nail holes, and that's what we're going to do. You got to have some putty. We call this putty glazing. You can buy painter's putty, or you can buy DAP 33. A lot of times you got to mix it with either some sheetrock sand or some baby powder, and mix it up so it don't stick all over your hands. You might say, well, why can't I just put caulking in these holes, like some other cats I see do that? Well, for one, when you put the caulking in the holes, it sinks down and you'll still have an indention of the hole. So that's why you need the putty. And when you do the putty, you press firmly and wipe it off. Press firmly and get up here so you see what I'm doing. You're gonna press firmly inside the hole and then wipe it off. Now, you don't wanna do this. We call that a cat eye. You wanna make sure you get all of the little indentions and fill the hole up. That way your paint looks nice and complete. Okay? And ladies and gentlemen, that's how you fill nail holes. If you like the videos I'm doing, subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna have some new stuff coming out on how-to videos showing you how to paint and do specific things on painting. Thank you, God bless you.